Welcome coders. So in the previous tutorial, I have showed you the set JavaScript set and told you that set is very much fast, especially for lookup and deletion. You see, for lookup set gives you big O of 1. I mean very fast, but it's slow, big O of n. And deletion big O of 1 and big O of n, very slow. So I wanna set some benchmark by through coding and to show you the timing, so how it is fast. So if possible, you have to choose set because set uses a hash table making lookup and deletion big O of on constant times. If you don't understand big O of 1 and big O of n, no worries, just remember the big O of 1 very fast and big O of n a little bit slow compared to big O of 1. So in my tutorial series, stay connected, like, share and subscribe please. Then I will give you the if I get good comments and like, share and subscribe, then I will provide you the video or tutorial on time complexity, space complexity, and data structure and algorithm. Okay, so let's, and in next any chapter, I will show you performance benchmark in between set, budget array, budget map, and object. Okay, so let's go for code. So we are taking 1 million elements of number const, say size equal to 1 million elements. Okay, say const numbers equal to, I'm taking a blank array for let I equal to 0, I less than size, I plus plus. Okay, so numbers dot push and I. Okay, so if you can now console log the numbers. Okay, console dot log numbers. Okay, it's a huge number, I mean 1 million number. Sorry, I'm showing you the browser. So let's see, it's 1 million, huge number. Okay, huge number. So we want to run a performance benchmark on JavaScript set and array. Okay, so I am removing the console log. So instead, create a set and an array. Okay, const num set equal to new set numbers const num array equal to spread operator. If you don't understand, just see, this is a spread ES6 features. It means I am showing you by console logging. Say console.log num array. So this number basically, and you can see the console.log num set. So let's see in the browser. So this is set, it's an object and it's an array, but huge number. Okay, so I'm removing these two things. So spread operator means I'm getting the numbers. Okay, so if you don't understand, in the ES6 features in the modern JavaScript, we will discuss about that. So console.log, say I'm giving a message for performance benchmark. Set purchase array. Okay, so first of all, we wanna say insertion benchmark. Adding new number, adding new numbers. Okay, so we need to measure time. Console dot time and give a message. Okay, set insertion and num set dot add size plus 1 console.log console.time end. Okay, set insertion and we need array insertion. Then we will show the differences. Okay, so let's go for array insertion. Console.time array insertion num array dot push size plus 1 and console.time and array insertion. Let's see. So we are in what we are doing. This is num set. I'm removing the unnecessary things. Then we'll get a space. Okay. Okay, what we are doing? We are trying to add num set within the set. We are trying to add 1 with 1 million number, and we are pushing after adding 1 with the 1 million number. So let's see the time difference. Okay, let's see the time difference. So you see, set insertion, it took 0.06 millisecond and it took 5.95 millisecond. Okay, so it's huge. So insertion is huge. I mean insertion, though it's saying that performance both are big O of 1, but array takes huge amount of time compared to set. Okay, so it's taking, again I'm refreshing, so it's taking 0.0051, but array insertion took 2.42 millisecond. Okay, so let's go for another benchmarking. So I am separating it, console.log so let's see, we need to have some random values. Okay, so what we are trying to do, look up benchmark. Okay, console log time set lookup. Before that we need a random number. Const random value equal to math floor math random into size. Okay, if you wish you can see the random number. Console.log random value. Okay, so we don't need it. Okay, time. So first of all do with set. Okay, so num set dot has, is it recording? Yeah, has, okay, random value and console time and set lookup. So do it with the array also. So console dot time array lookup okay, num array includes random value console log end time array lookup. Okay, so let's see the lookup benchmark. Okay, so this is lookup benchmark. So set took 0.1880 millisecond, but it took 0. So lookup also taking so much time than the set. Okay, so set lookup is very fast, big O of 1, and it's big O of n. Okay, let's go for our final thing, and I am separating it console.log okay, console.time set deletion. Okay, num set dot delete random value time and set deletion, and do it with the array also. So console.time array deletion. Okay, so we need to index const index equal to num array dot index of random value. Okay, so if you wish you can see the index console.log index. So this is the index. Actually we don't need it. Okay, so if index is not equal to -1, it means it has num array splice. Okay, index one. There is a typo. Index dex. Okay, it should be 1, not I. Okay, so what we are doing, we are finding index, find index of the number in the array, and we are doing removing, remove the number if found. So console.log console time int array deletion. Okay, so let's see the benchmark. So this is insertion, this is lookup, this is deletion. So deletion also, for set, this is small amount of millisecond, but it is 3. So in every aspect, set is clearly ahead than array. Okay, so for insertion, this is fast. You see the insertion 0.09, but this is 9.44 millisecond. So insertion is fast. They are clearly ahead. Set lookup, this is also fast. It is also clearly ahead, and this is slower. And set deletion, it is also uh, take little amount of millisecond, but this is 3.56. So in every aspect, set is clearly ahead than array. So as set uses hash table, making lookup big O of 1. So JavaScript set uses hash table, but JavaScript array uses search linearly, making lookup and deletion big O of n, slower than O. So in the next any tutorial, I will discuss about the performance benchmark between set versus array versus map versus object. So it will be a wonderful journey. So if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned, stay connected. Thank you very much. See you soon.